Good morning, everyone. It is January 16th, 2023. What you're looking at is just a 5 minute chart of Globex from about Sunday. Let's go right to here. There is Sunday's open and through the Monday holiday trade. What we had was Globex ramped up, built some volume right around prior week's high before, and I mentioned it in another Discord that it was looking distributive up here, and I was looking for a short off at 26 right here, and I did not get filled, but I was looking for a run into VWAP, ended up selling off much lower. Friday's POC being at 96, we did hold the bid around there before moving up. And Mondays, whether you want to call it a 9:30 open or whatever, it was unable to crack that sort of settlement high slash value area high on the week sort of area between 18 and 21, and instead we sold off just down around the mid 4,000 number. So not a lot happening during these overnight sessions. What I am looking for is before we talk about what might happen tomorrow, I just want to quickly make a note, and that is that the monthly point of control, if looking at the full Globex sessions as well, uh, it is slid up from 38.30 up to our 39.89 quarter number. So the monthly POC has slid up far above VWAP, far above the standard deviation 1, close to that standard deviation 2. We are now trading inside of this value area standard deviation 1.5. So in other words, to me, or sorry, that is just the monthly value area high has shifted up to there. So to me, we've gotten inside of value, yet we're trading far above VWAP. So to me, this is indicative of distribution occurring. So this is important on this higher time frame. We have distribution occurring. So now let's go back down to a lower time frame as to what I'm looking for tomorrow. Tomorrow I do want to be short around 17ish. I think that will cap our distribution. If we do go higher to 42.56, I'm not really sure where the sell will happen exactly, but I will look for a change in the POC intraday and then be looking to sell it. I do want to be bid once around this 96 area. I believe as long as we're trading above the position, so above that monthly point of control, the sellers are caught offside and buyers do have the slight bias. So I will be looking to get long there. If we do break below, I do want to be short under 89. I think it's quite unlikely we do get bids that hold around 67. If we do, once again, I'll be long around there. If not, I'm looking for us to get into monthly VWAP, which is right now sitting at 39.15-ish, I believe, 39.15.75, something like that. This sort of area. I think we might temporarily catch the bid in one day. I think asking for a bigger move than that from about 4,000 to 3,900 might be a large ask. So I would look for a low of the day to be somewhere around here. If we do get lower, I think we could be headed for much lower numbers, 80, 61, and 30. So kind of over here, 61 being the I think there's a structural number attached to that, and 30 being where the original position was built. So that's what I have for you guys for tomorrow. Again, just mostly playing this level to level, but being aware that below 89, we start to get caught offside with being below both the weekly point of control from last week and the monthly point of control, and will be below the daily Friday point of control, and will be below where we caught the bid today on Monday, and what effectively is our overnight low from these couple sessions. So that is what I'm looking for. Just being short at 17, last chance sort of long around this 96 area, being short below 89, another sort of last chance before we start heading much lower into this 39.18 area. Hope that helps, and if there are any updates to this, it will be posted pre-market per usual. Have a good night, everyone.